Hey Ashley, I decided to do a short video to demonstrate some things that I've been working on lately. As I'm sure you've seen in a few of my posts, that I've been teaching myself computer programming, and you'll notice I have Visual Studio 22 up and running. I'm gonna go ahead and open a project. Give me a second; it's got to load. And what I'm gonna show you here is you're worried about Civil War. But I think there's something more that we should be worried about. Let me show you in a minute. I've been building a program that can, what is the best way to explain this? There's a lot going on here, so forgive me. And there's a lot of errors. Hang on, I have to open a file. I thought it would be open. Do 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 do. Here we go. It was just not on the screen. I apologize. I'm wasting time. So what I'm doing here. Oh, hello AI. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating this program. Sorry, it's catching itself up here. I've already been asking it lots of questions. As you can see, it's updating there. I had it shut down and it's reloading itself. So you're worried about Civil War, and that is a legitimate concern. However, what I'm worried about is what you see in this little pane here. See this Copilot? That's AI. This is like, so I'm using Claude Sonnet, is what I'm using, 4.5. And I can ask it anything. You know, I could, if I want to ask it, build me this, build me that, build me that. Well, anyway, so I'm currently working on an AI model to recover programs. So let's say you've got this awesome program that you're running, but it has a fault in it or some kind of warning or an error. This program that I'm building, and I'm going to show you in a minute and how big it is, um, will determine using AI what the fault was and how to resolve it, and will resolve it, try to resolve it automatically. So this is what I have so far. All of this is just like declarations and stuff. It doesn't really mean anything. So this is the code that actually counts. As you'll notice, it just grows. There's like 9,000 lines in this file. Each file that I have going on has about the same amount of code. Well, with the exception of the testing. The testing file is a lot larger. It's like 16,000 lines. But my point is, you'll notice here that I've got AI, and this is a beast. And what's creepy about it though is that it can predict my thoughts. I don't have a Neuralink implant, but I'll be straight up typing code and it'll auto finish it for me. Which is great. That's a great feature to have. But it doesn't just do that. It also finishes my comments. So a comment would be like this right here. You see these little green, this little // section 5 state snapshot support. That would be considered a comment. And there's been many times when I'm sitting there typing comments or typing code. After I type the code, I'll type another comment and I'll say, here's an example. I'll type the letter H, right? And it will fill out, here's an example. Or it'll autocomplete an entire sentence for me. And it'll be exactly what I want to say. And I'll be like, all right, now how did you know that? So I feel like AI is more of our danger than Civil War. Especially if it controls our nuclear arsenal. I have a video on that if you want to see it. Just let me know. It's on my YouTube channel. In fact, this video is on my YouTube channel. That's how you're seeing it. So if you want to see the other video, just look through my profile, look through my channel. Anyways, I'm going to sign off because this has been long enough.